Welcome to this video where you will learn how to get your nails done step by Hernández, Preciado, Yamile, Alejandra, Morales, Millán, Aneth, Rebeca, and Felix, Sánchez, Avril, Sofia. Let's get started. UV lamp,
Nail pliers,
nail file,
nail drill,
top coat and base coat,
gel polish,
cuticle pusher,
nail oil,
Step 1. Push back your cuticle carefully using cuticle pusher.
Step 2. Start cutting your cuticles carefully using nail pliers. Step 3. Buff the surface of your nails. Use a soft nail file to make the surface of your nails slightly rougher and less shiny. This provides a better surface. Step 4. Now use nail drill just to make sure there's no imperfection left. Step 5. Use coat base and apply a thin layer to your nail. Step 6. Place a hand under UV lamp for 60 seconds. Your nail will feel a little sticky, but this is normal, so don't worry.
Step 7. Apply your desired UV gel polish color by brushing on a thin coat of color to the entire nail surface. Make sure to seal in the free edge. Step 8. Place your hand back under UV lamp. Step 9. Apply another layer of color and place back your hand under UV lamp for 60 seconds, up to 3 layers. Step 10. Apply a layer of top coat and place your hand under UV lamp for another 60 seconds.
And this is the final result. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.